Hi, I'm Merel.
Merel, what do you want?
I want lavender hair.
Yeah. And a piece off, not too much.
And a bit of my hair off.
Yeah, because the ends are totally damaged.
Yes.
So this is quite a job to do.
Yeah.
First time modeling. Will you
Yes.
turn around to show how your hair is?
Yes.
And different shades of colors in it. First gonna light it up. Yeah, you may turn even more, otherwise the back is not that interesting. Okay, thank you very much. Hello friends on YouTube, I got me a new model. Now her name is Merel, and in English that is a blackbird, so we call her Merel. In Netherlands is that the normal name. Because we wanted to get into the lighter colors and then into the violet lines, first I have to bleach it. So I start with preparing the hair for that. Of course I put the protection on. And I made her developed red color, just to get on the greenish colors, because they are the hardest to get out. This I do with a red shampoo of Lakme. Applied a bit water to it. You're gonna find me the green colors. Brush the hair with Olivia garden brush. Just to see how many colors are in. And thank God the green is only on the upper lines. So it's not that much. So take the green colors. Take a bit water with red shampoo. And this reduces the green, because the opposite color of the green. And this applied to her hair. Now I'm sure there's enough of the product on the hairs. You can see it reduces the greens, takes away the greens a bit, and goes into the grayish colors. So now I make her a bleach, even 3 bleaches, because it will use a 3%, 6%, 9%, because the harder the hair is and the more memories it has of colors, that's the more it's hard to take out. And all the lines I make with a conditioner in it, so it will always be the best end result. Make the colors, the bleach. What I told you, I take 3%, that's 10 volume, 6% that's 20 volume, and 9% is 30 volume. So I have 3 different strengths in bleaching. Comb the shampoo to the hairs and leave it into the hairs. Start applying first the balls I have in different colors. I don't know if you can see this. Start with the 3% on top. This is where the natural color is. And put it in step 1, so it reduces the heat of the product, and it reduces also the ammonias that are still in the product. Take about a centimeter hair. Get to the underlines. And only apply it on the hair where there's no rest bleach of the old color. Then go to my second bowl. And then to my third bowl. And lay the hair aside. Go back to the first bowl. And so apply all the bleach on her hair. Okay, now I have all the bleach on her hair. Make sure the sides have a little bit more, because they're drying out much easier as the rest, because they're warmer. And as long as the bleach is fluid, it can light up, and otherwise it stops, because it's a powder product. The beautiful thing about putting step 1 of the glit line in it is that you don't smell anything of the product. see this, it's reducing the greens. So we're gonna wait for the first 50 minutes, control it every 50 minutes, and afterwards I'll tell you how long it took to get her into the light blonde colors. Always reminding that the condition of the hair is the most important thing. Okay, back from coloring. Now we have this as an end result. Still, we have wonderful hair, still not cut. So I part the hairs now from the underlines. Starting in the underlines, building up. Made two different violets. One hard shade and one soft shade. Put in step 2. Turn a bit so you can see what I'm going to do. Applying the violet in the underlines. Don't make hard lines. Take my lighter violet down. So I have two different violet lines. Lay a foil between it. Take a new line on it. And there is no irritation at the skin. So that's the most important thing when you bleach hair. Get it into the darkest color of the violet. Create it in the underlines. By the way, this is Lume. And she can hold the colors nicely in condition with glint conditioner violet. So in the underlines again with the lighter color. Color products into each other to get a nice soft overflow of the color. So do all our hair. The restovers of the Lume I put on top. Apply enough in the underlines. This has to stay in for 15 minutes, so then we rinse it out. Then we're gonna make a small trim on the hair, and you see the end result, of course. Anyway, this is Lume Vivi et al. And this is mixed with a lighter color, and all the colors have step 2 of the glint line in it, so they stay in a wonderful condition. Back from coloring, rinse it out, put in a new step of glint conditioner water. Gonna do this cut standing. A little bit of time problem. It takes a long time to do this hair. So I'm going to do this haircut standing with the hot razor. The hair is still in wonderful condition. That is the way I want it. And so it is. So I ask her to stand and then can do this cut standing. Okay, now she only needs a slight trim. So first I watch, because it's the first time she models for me, what the hair does. She has not a lot of layering in it. This I can see, but I can still see the dry ends. Working with this tool, the dry ends will be certainly gone for more than 4 months. And it travels so lightly through the hairs. You only have to do is watch how the skull position is. So now I'm almost having no layering. Go to the other side. Het mooie is een thermisch mes, hè? Daar voel je er niks van. Connect both sides to each other. First at the front, which all the hairs lay nicely over the shapes of the skull. Now the front is ready, turn it around, go to the back, bend the head a bit to the front, take the hairs from behind the ears, because there's my line of cutting, to the back, pull them on the back, take off about 2 centimeters hair, that is yes, real nice hair again. Can also feel this on my tool, because the more resistance the hair gives me, the better the condition is. Watch if both legs are the same, and they are. One time over the same line, take the front with it, give the slide running on the connection line, do this on both sides. So now I can blow dry the hair. Nou, snel knippen, snel knippen.
Zeker.
Now start blow drying with a large brush, so it goes very nice and quick. Point the position of the camera better. Part hairs over the skull bone, starting on the line and building up. Mooi is wel als je stijl haar hebt, kun je de kleuren het mooiste zien. So far blow drying. Now I want to nurse the hairs a bit. Therefore I use the golden oil of Lanza. Only one small drop. Gently apply it on the hairs. It's a pity it doesn't come with smell, because this product smells really nice. Ultra feminine. Is lekker, hè?
Ja.
Now I thank Merel for being my model. I thank you for watching. She will show you the end result. And we see each other next video. Bye bye. Oh, je mag je rondje draaien.
Oh, rondje draaien.
Ja, weet dat.
Oh.
Oké, dankjewel. Merel, what do you want?
I want lavender hair.
Yeah. And a piece off, not too much,
And
because
a bit of my hair off.
yeah, because the ends are totally damaged.
Yes.
Dus
Yes.
different shades of colors in it.